and with their guidance and presence, I should be able to deliver the best to the best of my ability. I seek the blessings of my gurus and I start this lecture. Now, basically, we all are only energy bodies. What is dowsing? Dowsing, this is an instrument. Dowsing means pendulum. It is a science by which, this is a medium by which you can gauge the correctness of the given situation of what will be helpful, either positive or negative, for your system at a given state. At this moment, what is helpful to you may not be helpful to you after 2 hours. So that answer may not remain the same after 2 hours. Are you understanding? So changeability may be there, but at a given state, this is what is required. It will guide you in a correct way. Now basically, this is a pendulum which, as you rightly said, will correctly guide us whether it is positive clockwise, anti-clockwise, or whether it will go to right side or left side. It will tell us what is required for our system at the given moment. Now, we are all energy bodies. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
We all are only energy bodies, and there is constant exchange of energy and constant energy is flowing everywhere. 100% energy is flowing. Now, this will guide us according to our system, what is required, positive or negative at a given state, and give us the correct answer. But what are the prerequisites of the person who is going to be a dowser? There are some prerequisites. First, you have to use this only for benefit of humankind. For humanity it can be used. This, once you become an expert in this, you cannot use it on say satta. You cannot use it on knowing something and using it negatively for others. Second, you have to be in a state whereby you have zero level of thoughts when you start doing dowsing. Because when this is basically a gauge. This is when it moves positively or negatively, it is gauging the energy levels everywhere. So suppose you are having a bundle of thoughts, either positive or negative, all will come to this dowsing. So what are the prerequisites? The prerequisites is a blank mind. The prerequisite is that your state of mind has to be very calm. Then it should be done where you don't have to wear chappals. Your pockets have to be empty. Chappals are not to be worn because when you are walking on the street, the negative energy comes onto the chappals and you are on the ground. All your pockets have to be empty because in the purse also, if you are keeping photographs or cards of everyone, energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, but it is only transformed. So those vibrations pass on over there and then the reading may be different. So you have to be very subtle when you are even asking questions to the dowsing. You can also sit on the ground. It is basically important that you don't cross your legs, you sit in a straight position. For example, you are set like this. Crossing means not receiving. Even if you are folding your hands, crossing means not receiving. your hands are open, you are ready to receive. That's why to keep open mind is very essential. And not have preconceived notions. ये तो ऐसा ही होएगा, पहला ऐसा किया था, अभी ऐसा ही होएगा. Preconceived notions और belief system को जीरो करना चाहिए. हमने हमेशा इसका तो ऐसा ही होता है, ये तो हमेशा ऐसा ही है. हर घटना, हर परिस्थिति, हर श्वास को नई उम्मीद और नयापन. जैसे नया बच्चा ने आँख खोला है, वो नएपन और उत्साह से आप डाउजिंग करोगे तो हर टाइम नया मजा आएगा. Am I conveying something? So this can happen when your state of mind is completely blank and you are just like a small child. Because you are just energy bodies. So first, the prerequisite to prepare yourself to be able to handle this. The title today is Dowsing a Way to Hell. So first, what are the prerequisites I would like to make you do? Then second, on what basis can you use it for your personal purpose as far as health is concerned? Prerequisites we discuss. Now as far as health is concerned, which organs of your body are not working properly, you can find out. First, number 2, what science will help you. Number 3, what color dress if you will wear will help you. Number 4, what diet you can select for yourself. If you are not well, what science combination will help you. Which doctor you are going, is he correct or not. Whether the medicine dosage you have taken, is it correct or not. With dowsing, even we used to find out homeopathic medicines. With dowsing, I have also, when I teach dowsing, I have seen that even combinations of grahas will come correct. This can also be used for Vastu, it can be used for fashion designing. Even in cases of criminals, you want to find out where the criminals are, in which city they will be, in which town they will be, all exact locations will come out. So this can be used at all levels. Sky is the limit. But the prerequisite is that you don't have to have ego, that I am doing something. I know something. The minute you will have an ego, I know something, I can do something, the answers will start going wrong. So you have to be only in a Sakshi Bhav when you are doing this. You have to be in a Sakshi Bhav. What Gita is saying, that the unconditional love and Karuna Bhav for everyone will be there. You will be able to guide everyone properly, but not being attached to the result. If you will be attached to the result, and if you will say I am doing, and you will start having an ego, then it will not come properly. So it's very important not being attached to the result. Just to be with the flow and to be there. Even if it is positive, fine. Even if it's negative, fine. Just to be, that is the thing. And in the Sakshi Bhav. Because you will just come to know it's just happening. You are not doing. The movement is coming automatically. Now, many times people ask me question, how the movement is coming? जब बच्चा प्रेग्नेंट वुमन के पेट में रहता है, जब वो जीव आता है माँ के कोख में, मालूम पड़ता है कैसा जीव आता है माँ के कोख में, प्रेग्नेंट वुमन में मालूम पड़ता है कभी आया, कैसे आया, क्यों आया, वो आता है. जब प्राण छोड़ते हैं तो मालूम पड़ता है नहीं. तो वो जब आता है तो किक का मूवमेंट आता है माँ को 5th या 6th महीने को. इसी तरह इसको मूवमेंट अपने आप आता है, बिकॉज एनर्जी इज ट्रांसफर्ड. सो आई एम ओनली अ मीडियम. अच्छा, अभी ये डाउजिंग हम लोग कर सकते हैं. किसी का फोटोग्राफ लिया है, कोई कहाँ भी है, कोई जन्म में है, अब्रॉड है, वो है, डिस्टेंस इज नॉट द पार्ट. उसका फोटोग्राफ रिसेंट 3 महीने का होगा, आपने पकड़ के क्वेश्चन पूछा, आपको आएगा. उसका नाम माइंड में सोचा या उसका नाम स्लिप में लिखा और किया.